Hello, welcome back to another video on my channel. I'm playing some more revolvers because it was such a good success. But wasn't such a good success. Most probably success was probably not the longest. But that was not this. This was probably my last video was zombie attack. I'm gonna do a sequel. Gotta play some games more than once, like people play Jailbreak more than once. I don't play Jailbreak. Well, I have, just not on this. She is now my enemy. Hang on. If I get shot, it's my fault, but I didn't. Just not my fault. Ooh, did I get him? I had no idea but usually before someone kills me, I know they're there. But this time I didn't know they would be there. That was stupid. That was very stupid. You know, last round of revolvers I did mumble a lot. That's not very good. I was looking over him. Every time I saw he was gone. That's stupid. That's one thing you need to be ready. No, we lost. Okay, that was bad. We lost. Right, we're at Mojave. Okay, we are sheriff. We're going to the law. The law is what we're supposed to be doing. The law is right. Isn't that right, guys? Okay, cute marshmallow is now on my side. She wasn't before, but now she is. Alright, she's dodging everywhere. Ouch! No, we're not getting them, man. Yeah. No! Okay. He's my first. My first killer is always my enemy. I want to kill. So. Yeah, he's definitely my enemy. He's tried to kill me twice. We're under a mine shaft of some sort. He's just sitting there. Everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel. I am in the middle of a very... Okay, I'm thinking, why are we back here? Because I really enjoyed this, but I'm just trying... How come every time he comes out I miss? Every time when he comes out I'm okay. We're back in Wild Revolvers Part 2, I guess. I'm gonna make a Part 2 to Iron Man Battles 2. Lots of different types of 2. Right, those is house. Okay, don't. I fell off the bridge. That was probably my most stupid mistake. Last episode I mumbled a lot, so I'm gonna try not to mumble. I've never been down here before. Pictures light. Sheriff. Okay, that guy first kill. I think it was. I don't know. Well, he's my enemy. Next gamer, I'm coming for next. Gamer, I'm coming. Yeah, we won! Okay, right. That's sad. There's Nixo Gamer. Nixie, you're the so gamer. That is annoying. He killed me. Nah, so that's why he could be my enemy till he leaves. So unless he's in my team, then he's my friend. Then the only one he's going to do a team is my enemy. And until then, he's my ally. Or I'll try to get him killed in my team. But that will be a bit harsh. But yeah, it would actually be a bit harsh. It might have to come out apparently. I have on the Steam's just to be there. Yeah, but everyone still has to, everyone lives. Like, oh, remember map? Nope. What's the mission's gone? We're at the port. This is where I had my match last time. I was running on the track. That's the thumbnail. Me running across the track. In this, like, that. Does see me recreate the thumbnail for last video. I could obviously recreate the thumbnail of this video because it's gonna be some pop for this video, isn't it? Is on my team? No, he is on my. No, he's not. He did there. That's annoying. Okay, come on. You're a bandit. I'm a bandit. Well, I'm a bandit. That guy's my enemy now. Okay, I killed my enemies, so my deeds are done here. I believe. Maybe it's like a skillful, not skillful. That's weird. Skillful ninja is possible. Like the guy with a ninja. I'm gonna do a front flip off this building, like the whoa. Did you see that? My enemy's back, and he killed me. Right. He Marshmallow was just killed. Then I was just killed. That was sad. She got her payback. She's my enemy. She was my enemy. My original enemy was he's how? I shot him like I don't know 3 times. Why would he do that? That's just really kind of weird. I like how he just flips the gun. Kind of does my style. You see that, right? I have style. Okay, everybody who wants to die, everybody who doesn't want to die, put your hands up. You should put your hands up, man. That person's still there. I just glitch. I don't know, because I got trapped by them. Well, apparently they're just there. I headshotted him. I guess shot. That's just not doesn't make any sense. Because the guy that okay, about to die. Judy and San 2 is not my enemy. I was protected till then. Why is this place? Hi, man. But it's like, okay, 3 of us are in that room. That is very naughty. There's only 2 of us out there. Your team won again because we're swag. Yo. Right, we did that all in like some amount of seconds. Oh. Okay. Hi. Because I like saying hi. I don't know if I was supposed to be talking to that person, but I did say it. That was weird. I don't think we had a match because I have to go. I don't have to go. I have to go in 20 seconds. The video. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you next time. Bye.